Sperm whales are the largest predators on the planet.
There's the male. Wow, he's really well marked.
But even they have enemies. Pilot whales.
They will attack the sperms. They'll go out, eat the babies, and we've seen this interaction.
The pilot whales will attack the sperm whale?
Yeah.
Confident that pilot whales don't usually attack humans, Didier is keen to take a closer look. Close cousins of the killer whale, pilot whales are only a third of the size of an adult sperm whale. But they have strength in numbers. Hunting in packs up to 100 strong, they too will be listening out for the sounds of sperm whales.
There is a chance that if we keep following these pilots, that we'll end up tracking them as they track the sperms.
At last, the team begin to hear sperm whales. But these aren't clicks for navigation. These are clicks for communication, known as coders.
Coders. Oh yeah, okay, I can definitely hear the ticking there. Can you hear them, Shane?
It gets hard to count more than 3 because after you get, it might be a click. Oh.
Yes, she blows!
All right, let's go.
She blows! On the left side of the fishing boat! Yes, she blows!